Cooper is going to practice his on-leash skills today. Yes, good boy. Most of our sessions from here on out, I would like to do on leash just to get him prepared. Yes. So right now, all I'm trying to show him is the picture that I want, which is him walking next to me. If I indicate on the left side or the right side, that's the side I want him on. Yes, that's where those returns we've been working on come in handy. Good. Nice job, buddy. Good. I want him to go back here. Yes, and we're working in a bigger area. Come on, buddy. Let's go, Coop. Good. Good boy. Yes. Very nice. Good, nice little auto sit. Hoping the camera can see this. We'll try to work out in front. Cooper. Yes. So he's just learning to deal with the leash behind him on his back. I don't want him chewing at it. If we get to that point, I'll redirect him, and then usually we end the session. Good. But right now, I just want him learning how to walk. Yes. Very nice. So I'm going to be marking and rewarding for any walking next to me. Now, when he gets kind of turned around in front of me like that, I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to turn around. Cooper. Talk to him. Using a little pressure on this harness just to get him back over here. And then I'll use that hand lure that he already knows. Good boy. Good job. Okay, let's go, buddy. Good. Nice, Cooper. Yes. Good boy. Notice I'm only looking for a few strides at a time. And that is because I want to mark and reward as much of the nice loose leash walking as I can and try to make it very limited that we're having either pulling or darting in front of me, any of those bad habits that I don't want. Good boy. Okay, let's go, Cooper. Good boy. So he's good again, getting used to just that. There's a little pressure on the harness because I want him to learn early on to give to that if he feels it, he just needs to stop or back up or be silly. All right, Cooper. Good. Right there, buddy. Good. Ready? Cooper. We'll wait for some eye contact. Get his attention. Good. Nice job, bud. Good, Coop. Good boy. Cooper, sit. Yes, good boy. Very nice. Just letting him get used to that tension on the harness. Again, I really do want it loose as we're walking. Good. Good. Like that? Yes. So there's not really any tension. And then as needed, I can use that tension if I need him to stop surging forward or even asking for a sit. And this can all be done with a flat collar as well. I just like the harness for the little guys, keeps their trachea safe. That's your little party trick, isn't it? It's going between, huh? There we go. Good boy. Yeah, he says, I'm going to shake it off. Cooper. Yes. Yeah, that'll be a nice little trick for you. And then from here, you can go, wee. Good boy, Cooper. Good boy, Cooper. Let's go. Tap my leg, say, let's go. Now, I do want him on the side I indicated to, so I'm going to help him out. Cooper. Right here, buddy. Good. Let's go. Yes. Good. Nice job, buddy. Cooper. Sit. And he wants to kind of move away, so I just say, no, holding that tension. Cooper. Sit. One away from it. And as soon as he sits, that tension on the harness, which is not much, I got like 2 fingers here, so he can't wander off. That will release as soon as he sits. Cooper, sit. So this is him learning how to turn pressure off, which is if you sit right here, you're going to have it turned off. And it's not a lot of pressure again. I'm just making it so he can't dart all around. This is where I knew it was time to take him from off-leash training to on-leash, is he really wants to just kind of go do other things on his own. And we worked on a lot of the ground skills or the foundation skills that shouldn't be a big issue to now introduce a little bit of this. Where, sit. Yeah, no, we got to sit. Good. He's spinning. You can kind of see it in the leash. I just want him to work through this. This is a good stress to work through in a controlled environment and with somebody he knows, doing things he's known. Sit. I know. And I'm not making the pressure even much where it would be stopping him from sitting. It's very light. Sit. I know. Yeah, you got. It'll turn off as soon as you sit, buddy. Nope. So I'm going to come down just a little further here. I'm going to help him. I can even lure him into that sit, and then the pressure will come off. Right here. Come on, Coop. Come on, Coop. Good. Right here, buddy. Cooper. I know. Pick that up just so he's not distracted. Come on, buddy, you can do it. I believe in you. Oh, that's a very nice backup. I'm gonna reward for that. Sit. Barely any pressure here. 2 fingers. Sit. And what I don't want is him backing up now. I want him to go into that sit. I know. Come on, just a little. I know. To release it, you gotta sit. It'll release when you sit, bubby. This is just some opposition reflex. Good. I'm going to show him moving forward. I'll take the pressure off. I'll start lowering him since he's having a hard time understanding. There we go, buddy. And what I like to teach, even with the harness, is just straight up just means sit. This is a good emergency break that when they start to feel pressure, they sit. Since I'm not up for it, sit. I know. Cooper, sit. Hey, bud. Good. So I'm just going to hold it now. Good. So he knows I'm here. I've got him stable. I know. I'm going to feed just so he gets comfortable with it. Yep. Because at some point you may need to grab this harness and we need him to know not to slip out of it. Instead, I want him to come forward. So yeah, this is just opposition reflex, and I want to teach him that he doesn't need to go out of it like that. Good boy. There we go. What we don't want is dogs learning how to pull out of collars and harnesses, so we practice things like collar grabs. All of it is saying that I need you to give to pressure, and I don't want you to pull through or resist pressure. So that's where I'm just holding the harness. I'm actually going to throw the leash to the side for a moment. Good. I'm just going to hold it. Good. And just reward as he feels it. Yes. Good. Just so he knows that I can grab this. It's not a big deal. Good. And now with just 2 fingers, I'm going to lightly just pull up on this. Because what, I want him to learn is just this little bit of pressure to release it. He can sit. We do this with horses, teaching them how to give to a bit, teaching them how to give to pressure. I know. He feels there's, he's even just pulling it a little bit. Yes, good. And he sat. That's exactly what I want. So pressure comes off. Good. I'm actually going to completely take my hand off there. Good. Good. Very nice, buddy. There we go. Ready? Go get it. So I'm removing the leash because he's pretty distracted by that. And we're just going to practice where I'll put my hand on it. Cooper. Good. And the reason we, again, have it, yes, good boy. I want to get back on the leash, or excuse me, I want to get on the leash in general with him, is that he wants to wander off during training sessions. And that's a little bit loss of focus. But also, he just needs to now build a little bit of duration in his behaviors, like his sit, his down, and I can do that with the leash. Good boy. Cooper. Good. So again, a little pressure. Just 2 fingers right here, and I don't want him bothering it. I just want him sitting. Good. So he's just getting used to that pressure. I know. So again, trying to teach him not to panic, back out, or anything like that in the harness. Yes, good sit. There we go. He sat. Pressure comes off. And even with me holding this, I learn him to learn not to bother it. Good. Good. And so there's 0 pressure because he's sitting now. Then I'm going to let him go. Get it. Good boy. Nice job, Cooper. Good. I think that's going to be good for him today. I don't want to fry his brain. I want to end in a good spot. So that's a pretty good spot to call it. And I'm actually going to let him wear this harness. I'm going to put him back down for his nap. Let him take a little nap in it. Just so he can continue to get used to it. Good boy. Nice job, buddy. And we're going to end it there because he's giving me really nice engagement. Want to call it on a good note? Nice job, Coop.